Good morning, my community. As promised, I'm gonna bread up some fresh okra from the garden this morning that we're gonna freeze so we can enjoy it year round. Let's get started. I am picking okra daily, guys, and I am getting heaps of it. So I'm going through and I'm slicing it up, getting it ready to prepare. So we are using the Louisiana seasoned crispy fish fry. This is just the regular one, guys, but they have the Cajun, so if you want to zest it up and spice it up a little bit, go ahead and pick you up that instead. Now these come in the little bags, which are about $1.99, or you can get the box, which is about $3.49. And I poured about half of it in a Ziploc bag, and I have whipped up 3 eggs. Now you don't have to use the egg mixture. I do, because that's how I normally make my okra. You can just wet down your okra if you want to, and just skip this step, but I'm going to go ahead and include it in mine. So I'm going to pour some of this egg, probably I'm going to go ahead and pour all of it, onto my okra that I've sliced in this big bowl. I'm going to toss it about. So after I feel like I've gotten just about every piece coated, I'm going to transfer it to my plastic bag with my fish fry. Now guys, you can use cornmeal with a little bit of garlic salt. You can zest it up with some cayenne pepper. You don't have to use the fish fry. This is just easiest for me, and we really like how it cooks up in the flavor. Give it a couple of tosses. Try to coat up the okra really good until you feel comfortable. It's how you like it. Now a lot of people will just throw it in the freezer just like this, and there's nothing wrong with that, but because I like mine to be a little separated, I'm going to transfer them to some wax paper on a cookie sheet. Spread it out. Now I'm going to pop this in the freezer, guys, for about 24 hours, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Ta-da! You can see it kept the little pieces separate, so when we go to fry it, we don't have to use the whole bag. We can just put the correct portions that we want. And guys, this will last us all throughout the winter, and if we wanted to, since they are frozen individually, we could go ahead and vacuum pack this without crushing it, I believe. We love our fried okra here in the South, and I know a lot of you other folks do in other areas, but fried okra is something that we look forward to here in the summer. And so being able to preserve our okra harvest this way, also pickling it, is a great way to save money. Now those bags of okra that you buy in the grocery store that are already breaded and frozen are anywhere from $3.99 for a small bag up to $5 or $6. So we're saving loads of money. This breading here, or if you do your own, especially with cornmeal and stuff, you're going to even save even more. What a great way to preserve your harvest. So if you're getting a lot of okra like I am, guys, I would go ahead and try this and stash it away so that you can enjoy it all winter. Take care. God bless. Love you all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. See you soon.